What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Aiden, and remember last vlog, for those of you who saw it, we tried to do the world's longest bruder truck. We're gonna do it again, just with a bonus, a trailer truck. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna show you what we did last episode or last video. So last episode we connected this bulldozer with this cement truck using this small pipe. Now I'm gonna do it again. Let me just build it and then I'll show you. Okay, so I just finished building it. Let me show you. So, this is what we're gonna do today. So, I connected the cement truck again with the pipe to the bulldozer. Just now, the bulldozer is gonna be on the red trailer truck. Move the trailer truck. The bulldozer is gonna be on the red trailer truck. Okay? Okay, this is how it looks. Let's see if this thing drives. So let's see. It's driving, and the cement truck's running away. It's driving. Okay. That was awesome. That was super epic. So now I want to make the video a bit longer. So I'm gonna be showing off some more cars to make the video a bit longer. Because it's only like about 3 minutes long. And my videos can't be 3 minutes long. So I'm gonna show off a couple cars. So I got 5 cars so I can show you. The first one is, we're gonna start with the oldest and move off with the newest. It's this one. It is a Hot Wheels. It is It is an old taxi car. It says the word taxi over there. And it's old. This is the front. This is the back. This is the side. This is the side. This is the side. This is the other side. This is the roof. This is underneath. And this underneath. Does it have pipes? I don't think so. I think it has. So, and the wheels move. Let's move on to the next car. Bye-bye. Next car is this little Jeep. So, this is one side. This is the other. This is the front. This is the back. This is above. This is underneath. And the wheels move once again. Bye-bye. Next one is this car. It's pretty similar to this car. Just the roof's a bit higher and the roof's not open. And there isn't like this sort of light thingy going on up here. Up here there is like these little roof things. Like those. So for example, you can put a tent. So if you want to go camping, you put a tent. And no, I don't need those. And so this is the front of it, this is the back of it, this is the side, and this is the other side. This is the above, this is underneath. Okay. Next car is a van. Yes. This is the one side, this is the other, this is the back, this is the front, above, underneath. So, and if you have any of these trucks, cars that I'm showing you, please write in the comment section and say which car you have. So, last car of the day is this blue car. It doesn't have any roof. So, and this is one side. This is the other. This is the front. This is the back. This is up. This is above, and this is underneath. So, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And subscribe if the button is red. Bye bye.